Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of development projects worth more than Rs 26,000 crore in Jagdalpur, the divisional headquarters of Tribal Buster Division in Chhattisgarh today. India is all set to unveil the largest statue of B.R. Ambedkar outside Maryland in North America on October 14. The World Bank has decided to maintain its growth forecast for India in the fiscal year 2023-2024 at 6.3%. India's medal hunt continues at Hangzhou Asian Games 2023. India bagged another bronze on day 10, taking its overall tally to 62 medals, 13 gold, 24 silver and 25 bronze. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Indian players for their outstanding performance at the Asian Games.